Greetings everyone and welcome to Sizzling Delights, the show where we bring to you the best of Jamaican cooking. Today we are going to dive into a Jamaican favorite, which is the barbecue pigtail. I'm your host Chef Nix. Come make we fire up a grill. So before we begin, I would like you to like, subscribe and share and tell a friend to tell a friend that Sizzling Delights is the thing. Okay? So come here, make we go season up now and touch a grill. So basically we have the pigtail here. We scald for about 20 to 25 minutes approximately to remove the excess salt. You know, and it was scalded in ginger, pepper, pimento seed and a bit of browning. Okay? Over here we have some black pepper, garlic powder, not too much salt because you don't know, we don't want the pigtail to be salted. Okay, we have chicken seasoning here with a bit of all-purpose. We have about 3 tablespoons of jerk paste. Alright, so we'll go ahead and do dry seasoning, you know, black pepper and garlic powder. Don't want a whole lot of that. Then we add some of the chicken seasoning. You know, for the niceness we need all of the jerk paste. Wet ingredient right now. Then we add the niceness, the honey. So you know what we are going to do right now? I smother all of this and incorporate all the flavour. And make sure so you be sure to work in all that, you know. Rub it in like how you massage it thick as them, you see me? Yeah. I know. Gotta get all in the flavour, man. See how that look nice? What you say? Ready for your griller now? Talk to me, people. You know, our grill web hot. Just resounding. Nice little pigtail them. Look succulent. Hear that sizzle? Looking for that, but make sure say fire is not too high because we don't want them to burn. We'll keep them there on each side for like 2 minutes each, and then we continuously flip them until we achieve the color what we're looking for. You know, that nice caramel color, and then we add the secret sauce to it. Secret sauce, special sauce. Until the Colonel release him recipe, then me tell you mine. 2 things: pineapple juice, orange juice. Any girl taste this, them and their mother wet up. Trust me. Understand? So we have to paint them each time we flip them to get that nice toasty look what we are looking for, you know? So you don't know, approximately after 15 to 20 minutes after grilling the pigtail, you don't know, remove it and we'll leave it to rest, you know, so it cool down and thing, so we can slice it up, garnish it and serve it to the patrons. I don't know, red stripe there upon both same way, we are drinking all of vibes. Sizzling Delights, Chef Nix.